In this video, I'm going to show you how to take measurements in 3 different hair loss scenarios. Case 1, where there's uniform hair loss involving only the frontal area. We would need 3 measurements here. 1. The ear to ear across the hairline measurement. To get this accurately, place your tape just above the ear and measure from there across the hairline to the other ear. 2. Ear to ear over the top. And 3. Front to back measurement with additional ½ inch added for clip attachment to your hair. Now for case 2, this involves hair loss involving both the frontal area and the crown, but sparing the sides. In this case, please measure both areas separately, even though the topper piece will be one unit. Measure the front just as we did for case 1, then measure the crown area also from side to side and front to back. Remember to add ½ inch on each side and on the bottom for the clips placement. Now to give us an even better picture after measuring, you can go ahead and make a drawing and label accordingly. This will make our job a lot easier. This scenario requires a T-shaped topper like this. For case 3, the hair loss involves only the crown of the head. The frontal area is spared. The sides are also spared. Here, you also take the side to side and the front to back measurements, also taking care to add an additional ½ inch on the sides and bottom. This is only necessary though if you will be placing clips and not gluing the units down.